Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today I want to share with you a purchase from Moterm. I got these two things right here. Let me show you. All right, I'm going to show you the main item right here. Let's see, are we centered? Maybe. Okay, so I purchased this a couple of weeks ago and I haven't really done much with it, and I've been MIA, you guys, because I hurt my back on Friday the 19th, so August 19th. Yeah, so since then I've been in pain. I'm much better now. So I'm gonna start filming again and you're gonna see more videos hopefully coming soon. So the first video is this unboxing. I got this Moterm A5 Plus. This is the A5 Plus notebook cover, and this color is the burnt orange. I have plans for this cover, you guys. I have many plans. So I'm not sure exactly. This looks like the pebble leather. Yeah, it's not the smooth leather, you guys. So basically this is just the cover for a notebook. You can fit a let's see, I have the Erin Condren academic planner here. This is the soft bound A5, and this one fits here perfectly. Let me show you. So you can do this if you like. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. So that's how it looks like. It's beautiful. It's really soft leather. And I figure I wanted something other than pink because, you know, fall and winter is coming. So I want to use this for my daily duo. But I'm not gonna set it up for, I'm not gonna set it up today, okay? I just want to show you it has, what is this called? A secretarial pocket, right? It has a pocket here. Then this is where you insert the back of the planner or notebook. You can actually add another notebook here. Just to give you an idea, you can add 2 of the Erin Condren Petite planners. So this is the budget. You can add it here. Like that. And you can also add another one right here. There you go. And this would fit 2 of the Erin Condren Petite planners. See, it's very nice. It's soft leather, but it's not flimsy. Okay, it has some substance to it. It's not super stiff, but it's you know, it's good. It's not gonna just flop everywhere. So this is another idea you can use this for. You can probably use a Hobonichi cousin. Wait, where's the little, here it is. You can probably use this for a Hobonichi cousin, which I don't have one of those planners, but I really want one of those. But I don't need it. Okay. So this is the new cover. I'm gonna show you later how I'm gonna set this up, okay? And I also purchased, because I saw Robin from Talks from the Heart, that she mentioned that she had this item in one of her planners. Okay, what's going on? Ah, there you go. This is a Moterm pen loop. And I purchased these two items at from Amazon, and it only took like just a couple of days to get here. I got it probably 2 weeks ago, but I was in too much pain to do anything, you guys. So this pen loop, let's see how this goes. Okay, it goes like this. Yeah, like that. And now let's see, let's try a pen. So I can add my Klena here. There we go. And I can probably add a highlighter. And I can add a highlighter over here. There we go. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, this is the A5 Plus, so it has two snaps if you need more space, you know. There's the A5 regular, which doesn't have the extra space. But this is how it would look like. And you can find these items. If I find the link, I'll leave it on the description box, okay? So yeah, these are my two new additions to my planner world. So these are the two new additions to my planner collection. And they're both from Moterm. Like I say, if I find the links, I'll leave it for you. And on the next video, you guys, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use this and what I did to make the planner that I wanna use with this, what I did to make it fit, okay? So I'm excited. Oh, I didn't show you, wait. This is another pocket here, and Moterm always has the pockets here. So I can use this for my planner, and probably I can use it as a wallet too, you know? So this is, I don't know how I feel about this loop. Let's see. It's supposed to be right there. I don't even know, you guys. Well, you know what? Once I have the planner and we set it up together, we're gonna see how this works. All right, you guys, so this is my short video, my comeback video after my back injury. Short because I'm still, you know, I'm still in the mend. So I'll show you how I'm gonna set this up, okay, on the next video. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah, right there. And there you go. Okay, friends, thank you for watching. This is a super quick video just to show you what we're gonna do on the next planner setup for September, okay? This Moterm planner cover or notebook cover is from Amazon, and I'll leave you some more details in the information box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.